thank you for clicking on my channel. Welcome to another episode at Bad Boys Customs. We are here again with the main man, Keston. He's fixing a distributor right now for a flathead V8 old school. So we got, this is for my, I'm not going to touch it, but we had to heat that up, put a brand new ring gear on there, guys. If you guys, well, let me bump this up a little bit, put a brand new ring gear on there. If you guys remember the last episode, we got it all ready to go, and then we ran out. We didn't have pressure plate bolts, didn't have the right starter, and the flywheel was stripped. So we went ahead, got a brand new ring gear, new starter, and pressure plate bolts. So now we're getting ready to throw it together with my engine over here. Let's go ahead and take a gander at this, guys. So this is my fresh built 400M. It says 351 on here because I am running the 351 Cleveland heads on my 400 here. So we got everything ready to rock and roll, butthole. So hopefully by the end of the day, we are ready to drop that engine in and ready to fire her up probably tomorrow. Guys, look at this rat rod, dude. It's so sick. I love this thing. Look, got nitrous in here. Fuzzy dice. Gene is polishing up his head work here for his new intake. He's getting ready to drop on here. I'm gonna have to show you guys, dude, because it's freaking bad to the bone. Freaking beautiful intake. So, Gene, do you want to say anything to anybody?
Hello. How you doing, Joel?
Doing all right, buddy.
Good to see you.
So, look at this, guys. They got their nitrous set up all beautiful looking here. And how big is this? You said 496, right?
Yes.
496 Chevy. So, it should be pretty fast. We got this.
Like I told you, we can make Ford run if you're really serious. We can put Chevy in it.
Yeah. Oh, snap! I about fell.
Just started mentioning that.
Yeah. I think we should put this one in there, Gene. Because, I mean, this looks pretty bad at the bone, don't it, you guys? Look at that.
Starter for you.
Yeah, it'd be a good starter. Forced induction, freaking supercharger. B&M supercharger. So, this thing would be a bad son of a gun. Throw it in there. So, anyways, guys, you guys stay tuned for the rest of this video because we are going to get that thing built and we hopefully will get it stabbed either tonight or tomorrow and fired up. So, you guys have to stay tuned to see how this bad boy sounds because Keston built the motor at Bad Boys Customs. And, oh, look at that. He's even repping. Turn around again, boy. Bad Boys Customs. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get it, boy. Well, y'all, we kind of left you in the motherfucking dust over here. So, anyways, motor's still here. We do have the big old pickup pulled in to the shop here. And we also got motor mounts done without y'all. I need to set up that freaking time lapse for you guys so you guys can see exactly what we're doing. But right now, I'm 95% sure Keston's getting ready to take this off the stand, put it on the lift, and start doing flywheel, pressure plate, bolts, and clutch and all that good stuff. So, all right, y'all, so after all of this scrambling around and being all crazy and stuff, we got sold the wrong freaking pressure plate bolts. So, well, I was like, hey, I need this, I need it for the Ford 400, and they gave me some freaking Chevy bolts for my pressure plate. So, we ended up getting Caterpillar grade A bolts for this freaking pressure plate from one of Keston's hookups. Like, see if you guys can even tell. Hold up here. Let's see, will it focus here?
Not even right there.
Yeah, it should be all right here, so if I can focus it. Anyways, this thing says cat, it's not focusing, but anyways, it says Caterpillar on it. So Keston wanted to show y'all what this little plastic piece right here is for.
You get this little thing in your clutch deal, and your clutch should tell you which side needs to go where, but this is what this little plastic deal is for. You put it on your disc, put it in the pilot bearing, holds it, then you can put your pressure plate on, like so. It's kind of heavy. I also put a little bit of Loctite on them just because.
Yeah, this blue thread Loctite right here, boys. So
it probably doesn't need it because I also have lock washers on it. I want to better be sick than sorry, you know.
Yeah, because this thing is, if you guys think about it, this whole build is Keston's name on this product for Keston's business. So like he's trying to make this the best that he can for you guys. And you guys can expect the same quality that, you know, every time you guys come to Bad Boys Customs, you guys can expect the same quality and customer service that I'm getting.
That was a nice little plug, wasn't it?
Hey!
Well, this is medium strength. It's not your red. So the red you have to, I mean, probably 90% of the time you have to heat up to get them to break loose. This is just, you know, 3/8 impact is going to take these out. Also a good nice little 3/8 breakover would probably take these out too, if you even have one of them. I do, because
he runs a business.
all sorts of crap.
So, anyways, y'all, thank you so much for staying this far into the video. And if you guys are new here, please smack that like button, punch that freaking subscribe button, boy, and let's get it rolling. Because the next thing you're gonna see is us hopefully dropping this thing inside of that pickup over there, guys. Thank you so much. Let's get it. Boom. We got her in the pickup. We are just working, like, just so you guys know, like manual transmissions, the splines have to line up just right in order for them to actually fit in there. So that's what we're getting ready to do. We got the correct motor mounts. We had to switch motor mounts because whoever owned this before me switched it back to a small block, which don't make any sense because a 351 Cleveland never came in the 77 Ford. So, you know, so we switched it from a small block back to a big block. And that's what we're doing now. Keston is just putting the right stuff on there. Look at that.
Yeah,
First,
it's even bigger than that.
oh, it's bigger. It's bigger than that, boys. So we're cranking it over to get the splines to match up so we can slide it in that transmission just like it should. So that's what we're doing here, boys. And yeah, you guys will see it all on the time lapse anyway. So we're getting her put in. Boop, boop. Well, boys, huge shout out to freaking Bad Boys Customs. We got her in there, boys. Look how beautiful she looks in her brand new home. It's not a whole lot to look at as the body-wise, but she's got a heart of gold, let me tell you. Heart of gold is in like $4,000 later, isn't that right, Keston? So, we got her in there, boys. All the motor mounts lined up, the transmission lined up like we were having troubles with the last time. We're getting ready to... What now?
We need that back over here for just a second. We're not down on this motor mount here.
Son of a gun, guys. You can see that.
We're close, but we're not quite,
Son of
there.
a gun. Can we just like smack it with a hammer or something?
I don't want it to drop like that.
Oh, that's true. So you guys, listen to the care that goes into your guys' car performance and heart at Bad Boys Customs.
We pulled forward. Let's bring that back.
Okay, I'm coming. Well, guys, we'll see you here in a second. We got her in though. We got a motor in. And all right, guys, since I only have 20 people on this channel, you know, I think we get up to 15 likes. 15. I will post this badass freaking rat rod doing a massive burnout with B-roll and drone footage. It will be freaking sick.
Not only that, he might even put a little 150-foot run on it.
Yeah, but hey, yeah,
Drone footage.
Drone footage, we'll get, drone footage, 150 foot takeoff. We're gonna see how fast you can get it, boys. So make sure you guys smack that like button, punch that freaking subscribe button, boys. Just what is up?
By the way, if there's something you want to see,
leave in the comment section. Leave in the comment section, guys. Me and Keston, this is what we do for a little bit of fun. So, well, all right, guys. So, like, 1, 2, subscribe, 3, comment. That's what he does for a living.
He works on aircraft.
And you know what, boys? This is where we're gonna leave. Keston's link down below. Talk to you next video. Peace.